All right, my friends, so I'm at Costco right here, and I saw these little dorm room refrigerators that you can see, and I was wondering what the wattage would be, what the load would be, and so I was trying to look around to find out what the amps were, and I couldn't find it. And you can see in here, it does have the kit in there. It doesn't show the watts, so you can look at the various parts of the box. It doesn't tell you how many amps it takes. Now, we're using 120 volt because that's what the electrical power does. Your AC is 120 volt. Now, I do have one of these ice boxes here. And this, again, you have to pull out to see what the amps are on the back. And you should be able to see that as 1.5 amps. So that's going to take 1.5 times 115, whatever that is, 200 something, probably less than 200 watts. So that'd easily run on your inverter generator, simple. And the one I showed you this morning about the solar with a photovoltaic panel, that $400 one with you don't need the charge controller. You just need the inverter generator. You need to have in this case, 100-watt solar panel plus a hookup from the panel to the generator. You easily run this guy on that. Now, how long would you run it for? Probably not too long. If it's 200 watts and it's a 288 watt hour contraption there, it's not going to run you that long. That's why you got to get one of those Home Depot generators I'm telling you about. You get a $150 Home Depot one. I can't remember how many. I think it's 800 watts. Yeah, it's 800 watts running, 1,000 watts starting power. That will run you on these guys just fine, without question. That does take gasoline, so you want to make sure you got your emergency gasoline set up for sure. But I mean, you can run these refrigerators on, your car battery if you have an inverter. Easy. You just need a 500 watt inverter. Make sure you got a full tank of gas and get your car battery charged, and you're ready to rock and roll. And so this guy costs, this ice box, 150 bucks. This dorm room fridge, 140 bucks. I mean, you can't beat that, man. So for your preps, you definitely want to get these things for sure. Huge fan of them. Like I said, I keep all my meat. Now what I do too is I put a couple bags of ice in here. It keeps it nice and cold, makes it so less heat. It's very heavily insulated too, so you have less heat that's going in there when you got your ice in there too. So it just keeps it colder, which means it doesn't have to run as much electricity, that's for sure. So highly recommend these things, these chest freezers and these dorm room refrigerators. And you run those off your car battery with an inverter and just some alligator clamps, and you're ready to rock and roll. All right, hope this helps. See ya.